the challenge to change up this property, making it into a Nantucket-themed resort.
They want a lap pool, the cottage, outdoor barbecue grill, seating area, waterfalls, a jacuzzi. There's a lot to do.
Well, this is one tall order, but if it wasn't, we wouldn't be on the scene because you know how we do it here. This is Get Out, Way Out.
It looks better than I could have ever imagined.
Mark David Levine's specialty is massive transformations, a perfect match for the geysers.
My primary wish is a lap pool that we're envisioning going along this side of the property. And then we're hoping to put a dining area that would, be right up next to that.
So, Mark hits the drawing board.
There are a lot of design elements and constraints of this site because it's small. They want a lap pool, the cottage, outdoor barbecue grill, seating area, waterfalls, a jacuzzi, an outdoor fireplace. And I want to make sure that I can meet their needs and actually exceed their greatest expectations.
Okay, you leave the house and enter an open deck space, suitable for lounging and gathering. In front of that, you'll find 10 steps that will take you into the main backyard.
We have this nice long pool, and this is about 42-inch high wall right here.
The long pool is going to be custom designed for lap swimming, with a powerful jet to create resistance. And the adjacent spa and fire pit will be a great place to relax after a tough workout.
We're creating an environment. It's all these little areas of interest and design elements that make it one essence.
And over here, the outdoor kitchen the geysers wanted, behind a new garage and a dining area for outdoor entertaining. It's all here in this tightly laid out space.
So what do you guys think, geysers? Are you happy? What's your first impressions?
It's very impressive.
I like it.
It looks like it's going to turn out, I think.
It looks fabulous.
No, we gotta get to work.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'm excited.
This stone is laid a certain way. There's some very thick pieces that are a certain width. Then there's some longer, thinner pieces. Then there's some stone that sticks out 1 inch or 2 inches or so on. We have a couple little planting pockets in this general area for plants, and the water comes sort of in between, and the plants are still here drooping, so the plants emulate the water drop. When they're falling, they have the same look.
And that look is carried over onto the nearby fireplace.
Right over here, we just finished doing the stonework. Isn't this beautiful?
This is amazing.
All the different blends yet in the earth tone, dark, rust and
But look at all the
browns.
different sizes and stuff, and just piecing that together must have been...
Like a puzzle.
Nancy and Greg Geyser wanted a Nantucket retreat in what would turn out to be their fully reinvented backyard. Well, designer Mark David Levine has risen to the challenge, and as we take a look at the final results, get ready for one big change.
It began as another property, bearing no resemblance to what it is today. Now, after extreme demolition, a big build, and 1,000 finishing touches, it's complete.
Okay, geysers, come on out. Here it is, the finished Nantucket backyard. How excited are you guys?
I can't believe.
We love it. The backyard's finished and it looks great. We just are very excited about it being all complete.
The yard is finally done, and it looks better than I could have ever imagined.
Well, from what I can tell, it looks like the fireplace has already been used.
Yes, we had an event last night. We had 18 women over for book club. It was wonderful. And my favorite thing at night are these candles.
Yeah, I
that are
noticed
lit.
that.
And instead of a mantle, Greg came up with the idea of putting in these little shelves. And that's my favorite part about this fireplace.
Right.
And one of the design ideas, we wanted to take the outdoors and the indoors and be able to combine them.
Okay.
We came up with the Nana system.
Wow.
And it creates a wonderful space, and I love how you have the table and chairs out here.
Right.
So
Oh,
now
man.
you've got a full room, indoor, outdoor, with the fireplace and the little twinkly lights. It creates a wonderful transition from old house to new house.
How do you see this area being used?
I would say that what we really envision is up there is for family if we want to have our dinner outside. But this is really for entertaining with our friends, and we do quite a bit of that.
And over here is the new pool.
Nancy, tell me about this lap pool here.
I'm very excited about this lap pool. What we ended up doing is we actually put in a jet pool. It's a pool where it has the underwater resistance where you can adjust the speed. And I swim like an hour a day.
This is my favorite part. Nancy got a lap pool. I get a cooking station out here.
Yes,
This
sir.
is Dad's domain.
Okay.
This is my big green smoker.
And the food's fabulous.
Yeah.
Best barbecue you'll ever have.
You guys go to Nantucket all the time, and now all you got to do is walk out your back door. How excited are you guys?
Yeah, I think we love it.
We're very excited.
We're very excited.
I think it's going to be a magical outdoor dining experience.
I think it will be too. I'm going to let you guys get to it, but I will congratulate you. Way to go. You guys have got a masterpiece in your backyard. Thank you.
Thank you. We plan on doing a lot of entertaining. It turned out better than we ever imagined.
The whole process took way longer than anybody ever dreamed. But as I sit and I listen to the waterfall, I can hear the birds, and I can imagine what Saturday night's going to be like with dinner with our friends. It was worth it.
Well, it took some doing, but the geysers now have it. Their very own seaside oasis right out their back door. I'm Brandon Johnson, inviting you to join us next time for more incredible transformations right here on Get Out, Way Out.